In the vast expanse of space exploration, SpaceX's Starbase stands as a beacon of innovation, continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Recent weeks at Starbase have witnessed a series of captivating developments, from the enigmatic disappearance of the third orbital Starship to groundbreaking advancements in Starlink technology and NASA's pioneering exploration of Rotating Detonation Rocket Engines, RDRI. This comprehensive exploration will delve into the intricacies of each development, unraveling the mysteries that have gripped the space community. The intrigue of Starbase, a prelude. Starbase, often referred to as the gateway to Mars, has been a hive of activity, with its colossal structures and cutting-edge prototypes capturing the imagination of space enthusiasts worldwide. The narrative unfolds with Booster 10's dynamic static fire test, a precursor to the subsequent events that would unfold at the forefront of space exploration. Booster 10's journey, unraveling the enigma. The journey begins with Booster 10, SpaceX's latest orbital booster, undergoing a series of tests, including a 33-engine static fire. Following this impressive display of power, all eyes were on the next move. Would it be another round of testing, or was there a different trajectory planned? The intrigue deepened on December 30 when Booster 10 was carefully detached from the orbital launch mount and transported back to the build site. Speculation and curiosity ensued. What prompted this unexpected return? Initial concerns about potential issues with the prototype were quickly dispelled. The SpaceX team addressed minor glitches observed during initial tests, and Booster 10 was poised for further refinement. As the prototype now rests in the Mega Bay, enthusiasts eagerly await its return to the launch site. The suspense surrounding Booster 10 sets the stage for the next chapter in Starship's journey. Simultaneously, Ship 28 underwent transformative modifications, sparking excitement about its potential payload capabilities. The removal of squid attachment points and the sealing of openings with heat tiles hinted at a shift in functionality. The prototype's relocation to the high bay marked the successful completion of its dynamic test campaign. The question lingered, could Ship 28 be preparing for a fully orbital launch with a payload on board? Clues from previous static fires and payload bay tests fueled speculation, although certainty remained elusive. Enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the return of both Booster 10 and Ship 28 to the launch site, speculating on the timeline for their next endeavors. As Starbase prepares for upcoming launches, significant upgrades to the Orbital Tank Farm are underway. SpaceX's unique approach involves constructing tanks inspired by Starship itself. The idea initially appeared promising, with the ground support equipment tanks derived from Starship's design. However, challenges emerged, including regulatory hurdles and structural concerns. Recent developments saw the dismantling of the original water tank, Shell 2, signaling a potential shift away from the original self-fabricated tank farm concept. Ships 30, 31, and 32 undergo various stages of testing and preparation, adding to the anticipation surrounding future launches. The strategic relocation of prototypes and the dynamic interplay between different bays illustrate the complexity of operations at Starbase. Starlink's evolution, bridging the connectivity divide. Beyond Starbase, SpaceX continues to revolutionize global communication with the Starlink project. The recent launch from California introduced Starlinks equipped with direct-to-cell communication capabilities. This innovation opens new frontiers, allowing smartphones to communicate directly with Starlink satellites. The potential applications of direct-to-cell technology extend beyond traditional connectivity. In remote areas lacking cell reception, Starlink's capability to facilitate emergency communications through smartphones has far-reaching implications. The prospect of supporting voice calls and internet data transfer further positions Starlink as a transformative force in global connectivity. In the broader space exploration landscape, NASA's quest for innovation takes center stage with the exploration of rotating detonation rocket engines, RDRE. This propulsion technology harnesses sustained detonation for continuous thrust, promising higher efficiency and advancements in space travel. Understanding the intricacies of RDREs involves delving into the difference between deflagration and detonation. Traditional rocket engines operate on deflagration principles, where the flame front moves at subsonic speeds. In contrast, RDREs leverage controlled detonation, where the flame front exceeds the speed of sound, generating shockwaves. NASA's recent achievements in 3D-printed RDREs operating continuously for over 4 minutes showcase the potential of this propulsion technology. While RDREs are still in the experimental phase, the promise of increased efficiency and potential applications in deep space exploration fuels optimism within the space community. As Starbase continues to evolve and innovate, the coming weeks hold the promise of unveiling more secrets, pushing the boundaries of space exploration and reshaping the future of interstellar travel. The dynamic interplay of prototypes, infrastructure upgrades, and advancements in propulsion technology underscore the dynamic nature of SpaceX's endeavors. In unraveling the mysteries of Starbase, we witness not only the technical complexities of space exploration, but also the unwavering spirit of innovation that propels humanity into the cosmos. The enigma surrounding Booster 10, the transformative journey of Ship 28, and the advancements in Starlink and RDRE technologies collectively contribute to the narrative of Starbase as a crucible of innovation. Conclusion: beyond boundaries, into the cosmos. In conclusion, Starbase stands as a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of the cosmos. From the towering prototypes to the intricate details of propulsion technology, each development at Starbase contributes to the unfolding saga of space exploration. As SpaceX continues to pioneer advancements, the mysteries of Starbase beckon us to gaze beyond boundaries, into the cosmos, where the future of interstellar travel awaits. Stay tuned for the next chapter in the cosmic odyssey of Starbase.